dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I broke their armor.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
I was thinking about it. I technically purchased it preparing for break.
Switching mags.
Supply box is marked. Secure those locations. Enemy soldier incoming. Insurgents has been deactivated. This is the end game.
Loading new mag. Reloading.
4 remaining. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. You're in the top 3, don't let up now. Contract failed. The objective's been lost. Supply crates are restocked.
Somebody come grab me. These homosexuals with these motherfucking type of weapons.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
He's the only one good. That's what I'm saying.
I'm up on the roof.
Zone.
Anybody
Timmy more
care?
good to me.
Moving in.
Yeah, he
I be fucking hating you. Fuck.
Taking fire.
My fucking whole team trash and can't.
Only 5 remain. You were close. We lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.